Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Clark the Shark, Afraid of the Dark by Bruce Hale and Guy Francis. Please enjoy. Clark the Shark, Afraid of the Dark. Clark the Shark looked over his list. Balloons, check. Games, check. Snacks, double check. Everything was ready for Clark's first big sleepover. Everything but Clark himself. It was Clark's first time sleeping outside without his glow fish night light. But he told himself he'll be as fine as featherfish fins. Just to be sure, Clark made a little rhyme. Take a heart, be smart. Sharks aren't afraid of the dark. But deep down, he wasn't sure at all. The sun sank low. The shadows stretched. Here comes his friends. Brave fishes, everyone. Clark decided to keep his sharky mouth shut because if he weren't afraid, then neither was he. Clark and his friends played hula hoops, and Clark was the happiest of them all. Hee, look at me, he cried. They sang karaoke. Clark was the loudest of all. La 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 la. They played freeze dance, and Clark was the wildest of all. Bink donk da donk. Too much sugar. Clark's mother wondered. Finally, she sent someone outside. It was dark. It was scary. To keep up his courage, Clark whispered his little rhyme. Take heart, be smart. Sharks ain't afraid of the dark. He didn't want to be the only one who got spooked. Let's all tell ghost stories, says Benny Blowfish. Everyone looked at one another. They weren't afraid, not them. They told the tale of a one-eyed sea monster, and a crazy sailor, and a hook-handed octopus. By the time they finished, everyone was shivery. Something moved right over there, cried Amanda Wiggle. The crazy sailor. Ugh! Everyone screamed. It's only driftwood, said Joey Macaroo. Clark tried to relax then. What's that? Cried Kenny. The one-eyed sea monster. Ugh! Everyone screamed. Settle down and go to sleep, said Clark's mother, or I'm calling your parents. No, cried Clark, we'll be good. Everyone tried to relax. I wasn't scared, said Kenny. Me neither, said Clark. Us neither, said everyone else. But no one could sleep then. I felt a ripple, cried Joey. Something's coming. Ugh, everyone screamed. The hook-handed octopus. But it was only a clump of seaweed. I wasn't scared, said Joey. Me neither, said Clark. Us either, said everyone else. The friends decided to sleep in a circle, not to be safer, but just to be cozier. It was dark, it was spooky, the night was full of sounds, so Clark whispered a little rhyme. Take heart, be smart, sharks aren't afraid of the dark. What'd you say? Asked Joey. Oh, just a little rhyme, said Clark. Joey gulped. Are you afraid of the dark? Clark bit his lip. Would Joey make fun of him? In a very, very small voice, Clark whispered, just a little bit. Me too, whispered Joey. Us too, whispered everyone else. So how do we be not afraid? Asked Joey. Everyone thought hard. Then Clark got a great big idea in his sharky head. Let's all make up a rhyme together. Brilliant, said Benny Blowfish. Can we put in music? So they did, and when they finished, everyone sang. Take heart, be smart, don't be afraid of the dark. No fears, it's clear. Fear is the scariest part. Remind your mind, kick out the fear from the start. You'll find you're fine. You'll find you're fine. You're not afraid of the dark. No, we're not afraid of the dark. One by one, they fell asleep humming a tune. Clark, last of all, and as they dreamed brave dreams, the moon sailed down through the depths of the night ocean. Wow. Well, how many of you have been afraid of the dark? Let me know with a thumbs up if you ever been afraid of the dark. Just curious. And what got you over the fears? And I'm sure a lot of us was afraid of the dark when we was young. But everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody. And thanks for watching.